Today's Parsha preview is going to provide the 4 answers before this Pesach. The question is, why is this Parsha preview different from all other Parsha previews in recent years? Answer number 1, I haven't been out of the house for a week, so I have no idea what's going on in the world. There are people who are calling their rabbis and asking what they should be doing. I know rabbis, and that's why I call doctors to find out what I'm doing now, and my doctor told me to stay home. Answer number 2, this is being videoed not by Rena Golaskov, but by my son Jonathan. So don't expect the same quality. Answer number 3, it's being videoed in my office at home, not the regular shul office. The truth is, the shul office is just the front. It's in this office that I do all of my work, write all of my sermons, prepare all of my classes. Take a look at the office. And answer number 4, this Parsha preview is not going to discuss what's written in the Parsha. It's going to discuss what we say at the end of the Parsha. This Shabbos, although we're not going to be in shul, we're going to be reading the combined Torah portions of Vayakhel Pekudei. That is the conclusion of the book of Shemot. And when we conclude it, we say 3 words that are recited 5 times a year. They're recited when we finish each of the 5 books of the Torah. When we say, Chazak, Chazak, V'nis Chazek. Be strong, let us strengthen one another. There are lots of different traditions regarding these words. Some say that only the Ashkenazic Jews say it and not Sephardic. Some say it was because of a mistake in transmission that we say Chazak, Chazak twice, that it only should have been said once. But the real question is, why do we say it at the conclusion of a book of the Torah? Why just then do we say, be strong, and let us strengthen one another? The answer is, these words don't mark a conclusion. In a certain sense, they mark a beginning to the next book of the Torah, to the next chapter in the life of the Jewish people. Look at the 5 books of the Torah. The first one ends with the death of Joseph. We're left hanging. The second one ends with the completion of the Mishkan. And now what? The third book ends with the discussion of what parts of the fields have to be dedicated to God. The fourth ends with the discussion of the maintenance of our fields when we're in the land of Israel, but we're not yet in the land of Israel. And then the 5th one ends with the death of Moshe. And then what? In each case, it's not an end. And that's why we need strength. Strength to keep going on. You get it? This coronavirus business is not going to end. Even when it ends, it's going to continue to haunt us in many ways. So to all of you at home, and I hope you are home, Chazak, Chazak, V'nis Chazek. Be strong, and let us strengthen one another. Shabbat Shalom.